We grow through innovation. Suck in the rubber material into the machine to ensure fully automated production. The numerically controlled cooling machine ensures the temperature of the product. It effectively ensures that the light strip has a moderate softness and hardness. Complete the tolerance of the product contour dimensions. The Cobb workshop has achieved automated production, which ensures the quality, improves the precision of the products, and makes them more durable. The SMD chip workshop has also achieved automation, enabling products to feature high density, lightweight and ultra-thin profiles. Integrated modules for automated feeding, positioning, encapsulation, and inspection ensure seamless production.